Hello everyone, myself Kartika Jain. I'm doing a master's in telecommunication in University of Wollongong. So right now I'm doing my presentation on the topic smart cities and Internet of Things in Australia under the subject engineering research methods. After undergoing different research papers as well as the international papers, I've come into a conclusion of taking a topic called as sustainable integration of ICT, that is information communication technology, using 5G and machine-to-machine communication networks. So moving forward, we will see why cities are often called as smart. It is to improve the sustainability, quality of life, and resource efficiency through technology and innovations. In that technological process, one which is very efficient is the Internet of Things, which helps in changing the urban environments and has emerged as a critical enabler with the potential to radically transform how cities function and offer services to their citizens. Now, these services include transportation, mobility, energy, environment, water, waste, planning, design, education, healthcare, safety, and economy. Our work places a lot of emphasis on the role of ICT, which plays in integration of this urban sustainability with the smarter cities, with already sustainable ones and the future of smart cities as represented by the smarter cities. What IoT exactly does is connecting the electronic devices with each other, which reduces the direct human interaction by facilitating smooth data flow across networks like blockchain, cloud computing, wireless sensor networks, and IAR method. IAR means that augmented reality method. Effective data transfer and device to device connection are strongly dependent on IoT network architecture. Because of this fast data and information transmission, it becomes crucial that scalability and dependability are being getting affected. There are four essential IoT building blocks, which are black networks, trusted SDN controllers, key management system, and unified registry. One of the key focuses of the study is how ICT may help to promote the urban sustainability. In respect to that, we have to find out the computer resources which will be helpful in scaling as well as the parallelization approaches. However, some systems might not be able to afford the cost of reconfiguration. According to the viability business models, it has been noticed that different experiments as well as different optimization processes have been done, which has seen that there is always a 10% energy usage in every kind of the technologies related to the IoT. So further in, we have concluded into a research question which makes into more interest, that is how secure is the Internet of Things in general as well as the security of your own data. Can we conclude that creating smart, sustainable cities will be possible through the 5G and M2M communication networks? As we can see in the slide, these two are the common algorithms which are used in the 5G and M2M communication processes. After, according to the optimization as well as the experimental results, we can see that the spectrum efficiency, energy, as well as the latency has improved from the earlier conducted experiments. So there are these research designs which are conducted on 5G as well as the M2M communications, which provide that the 5G wireless communication technologies are very advantageous for smart cities and IoT applications. This study looks at how 5G networks in smart cities will be advantageous from an environmental, social, and economic standpoints. Also, M2M communications are being divided into two subcategories. First is the delay sensitive and the another one is delay tolerant one. So what it does is that it reduces the data collisions and also for the effective transfer of data from one point, that is from the sender to the receiver, with less collisions as well as improve the service quality. Performance evaluations based on the network calculus, numerical tests and simulations demonstrate the viability and efficiency of the proposed approach. This design as well as it has certain kind of limitations. However, the AI as well as the blockchain, big data, and cloud computing can help us in reducing the data encryptancy or the corruption, but still there are some amount of security concerns. Also, due to its high rates as well as the wireless intelligence, automations, and flexible network architecture, the 6G communication network is essential for sustainable IoT as well as the smart city applications, which will help to advance the SDGs, which means the sustainable development growth. As we see that for sustainability, in respect to the 5G, 6G communication networks provide more high data rates as well as the wireless intelligence and with low latency. Standardizing M2M designs and communications is essential to addressing the issues and remote management in huge number of devices. In order to stop the leaking of personal information and evaluate data breaches, researchers have developed a mutual cover algorithm which emphasizes the necessity for proper interface approaches and procedure to handle the interoperability challenges and security concerns in the long-term expansion of smart city services, which are the future works in this research topic. With this, I would like to conclude. Thank you.